The film comes with a top cap sheet that must be removed prior to installation and/or plotter cutting of any patterns. Removal can be as simple as finding the edge of the cap sheet and pulling it off. If you have trouble finding the cap sheet, pull back on the edge of the paint protection film's release liner. Apply a piece of masking tape to the bottom side of the PPF, adhesive side to adhesive side. Apply another piece of masking tape to the cap sheet. Pull the pieces of tape away from each other and the cap sheet will be removed. The cap sheet must be removed from the paint protection film before you can cut it. Installers can use the back roller on their plotter to remove the cap sheet by winding up the cap sheet as the film is fed through the plotter. Remove about 6 inches of cap sheet across the full length of the PPF roll, allowing it to cling to the plotter's back roller. Rotate the PPF roll back slightly to properly align the cap sheet with the back roller, then rotate the PPF forward, ensuring the cap sheet wraps over itself as it separates from the PPF. Feed the film into the plotter. As the cap sheet comes off, it should continue to wrap around the plotter's back roller. Do not unwind too much film from the roll, as additional layers of wound cap sheet may make aligning the film on the plotter more difficult. Align the film to the plotter's pinch rollers. Hold the film firmly in one hand and slide it back and forth to create alignment. Having only 1 or 2 layers of cap sheet wound around the back plotter's roller at this point allows the unwound cap sheet to slide along with the full PPF roll. This also allows the back roller to maintain even pressure on the PPF roll as the cap sheet continues to unwind. Once the film is aligned, engage the pinch rollers and start work on the plotter. The plotter now removes the cap sheet as the film unrolls. Note: remove the PPF roll from the plotter and follow the storage guidelines immediately after plotter cutting. The cap sheet must be cut off before users can remove the roll of paint protection film from the plotter. Pinch the rolled cap sheet with your fingers to create a loop in the material for your knife. Insert your knife into the loop and cut across the rolled cap sheet with the sharp edge of the blade facing away from the back roller. This will ensure you do not cut your rollers. Pull the cap sheet down past the back roller. Disengage the plotter's pinch rollers and back roll the PPF slightly onto its roll. Remove the PPF roll from the plotter.